Hey, welcome back to another vlog. What is going on, guys? Right now we are about to head to Midnight Performance. Well, I am by myself. Get in an Uber right now. It's about 3 minutes away. Gonna pick up another F150. As you can see, we already got 3 other trucks. It's kind of the plan here as well. We're gonna be working a lot of F150 trucks, and that's kind of another reason why we got our own truck, so we can learn more about it, and so we can better provide if people want to bring their trucks over here. So, about to head that way. We'll see you there in a bit. Let's go.
Yeah, man. Play me some of that chronic shit.
All right, I know you guys been seeing all our videos dropping, and I promise we're gonna get better. We're trying to learn, and we're trying to edit all at once and still do a job, do the wheel repairs and do all these F-150s. You can see this one, we got this one coming from Midnight. We gotta do some flares. We got that one over there. We're doing some wheel repairs, and we're gonna do a paint correction for Mr. Aldo. And then the other one we got from Midnight Performance. We did a color match completely. We disassembled it, did the flares, did the lower lip, and we're gonna deliver that one when we deliver this bad boy right there. So, stay tuned, let's do this.
Yes, sir.
It's good now.
Alright, good.
I'm assuming these flares are already painted?
Yes, so Manuel sent us 2 kits, one for the blue truck and one for this one. Since both of them were the same color, we knocked them out at the same time. Now that he's done with his supercharger and his headers and exhaust, I believe that's what he did to this one, we're gonna install them and then we're gonna drop both of them off at the same time, just to kind of avoid going back and forth. And this one, you don't have to remove the wheels or anything. There's enough room to get in here and install it real nice and pretty. Been saving these bad boys for a while.
They're the wrong color.
Look, when you wrap them up for Mr. Manuel, this is going to be the left front. I guess we're starting with the left front.
You said this is done. We already did the flares on this one, huh?
So yeah, we did the flares on this one. So we took apart the whole front bumper, we painted the front bumper, painted the grill, installed the carbon fiber front lip. We installed the flares. We painted the mirrors. It's really dirty. It's a working shop, so we like to leave all our cars inside the shop. Flares, the lures, the handles, and then the rear bumper. And then the customer wanted to add the upper valance, I guess, to the tailgate valance or wing or ducktail or something different there. And then obviously the rear bumper, we color matched it. Looks great. We didn't do nothing to the Ford emblem because the front emblem actually lights up, so they didn't want to mess with it. But yeah, this one's completely gone. All we got to do is we need to get our guys to wash it tomorrow. Kind of give it a nice little clean detail. Manuel likes to have his cars spotless when he gets it back. So he sends the work, so we got to take care of him when he takes care of us.
Okay, so with this flare kit, they have this piece. This holds the front fender flares, and you only use these pieces on the front fender flares. You come the two that it comes with are just for the fronts. They go up here like this. And you have to
Might be a little hard to see. Oh, okay.
These on the little tabs here. Now,
because you said this one comes with holes, but not all of them do.
Not all the F-150s for some reason come with holes already in these tabs, so you'll have to make your own holes. But this one has holes.
That makes it way easier.
We was impressed today, and it was for the exact reason that you said he would be. But
Can I help you? God, you're like the paparazzi now, Alex. What the hell?
Yeah, I gotta show everybody how to work on their flares.
It's not hard. It's just, you know, a little something here, a little something there.
Hey Alex, come get this on here.
I mean, at the same time, I shouldn't show them so they could bring it to us.
Play me some of that chronic shit.
So we're gonna end up dropping off the cars off to midnight just because we're gonna be a little too busy tomorrow. We still gotta drop off our truck so we can get the supercharger put on. So we're gonna end up going to midnight tonight, dropping off both trucks, the one I just picked up today and one we had for a while. We were waiting on the flares. Truck was done, so we were just waiting on that for a while, but they're ready. Let me get it a little washed up, get it clean, because you know, you don't want to. Car's been sitting here for a while, getting all dirty, all dust, because we still work here, we're still working on wheels. So, gonna get it cleaned up for the customer, get it delivered, because they're open till midnight, so it's only about 9 o'clock, still make it. What other owner washes their customers' cars?
Poor ass shot, that's what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do, Baba.
I said, no, this isn't for the vlog. We just never had it recorded until now.
We can't afford to detail it.
Yeah. If enough people subscribe, and definitely have more F-150s, we could probably possibly give away.
I think we need to make the first payment on the other one first.
Dude, no kidding. It hasn't. Gosh.
It's been owned for how long?
2 weeks?
Less than 2 weeks. Bro.
Less than 2 weeks.
On Friday, it's gonna be 2 weeks.
Had to make a quick stop at the gas station, but you know we had all the Fords out. So gotta do a little photo shoot with them. What do you think?
We on that F-150 gang, cuz! F-150 gang!
Música de vida lenta.
Alright, we made it to Midnight Performance. Ready to drop these trucks off and head home. It's been a good night. Getting these trucks knocked out, so this is good.